Uh, Maybe I don't know. Veena, Nalin, and Revati, they mentioned they will join. Even Sivastan told he will join.
Okay, yeah, see.
But anyway, let's start and let's do something. Uh, we can just have a look how we can go forward. Maybe you can have some. You will have some ideas, no? Then
We will see. I am too looking the YouTube only
regarding what?
regarding that understanding of how the chatbot was working, how the Lama 2, how the chatbot GPT-4,
Mm-hmm.
how they are working like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's all a good one. Yeah. So let me just share the screen. Maybe.
Getting any update from the tax strategy we submitted?
Oh, nothing, Jay. Nothing.
Okay.
So you're actually doing the NLP for the English language, no?
Yes, it's NLP only.
Yeah, for English language we have so many support, no? But the problem is with Sanskrit, we have limited support, I think.
Eh, Greek language learning system.
Yeah. It's actually if it's when we are kids, no, like kids will be learning apple and everything, no, A for apple like that,
Yeah, yes.
and later they are able to write it, right? So initially we are talking, right? So similarly in Sanskrit also there is a 10 days shibiram for speaking. Uh,
Okay.
Shibiram means 2 hours a day and 10 days means 20 hours you will be able to speak something. Okay, so they are introducing like what you say, this Duravani for mobile and Petika for the box, like that. They Dhanashutam for the purse, like Balakaha, Balikaha, all those words and everything is introduced. Maybe I think maybe 100 words or something. So initially what I am also planning is the same thing, like words, no, people will, the system will show the something and it will be mentioned in Sanskrit and English or whatever, and it will sound it, it will speak out, and then we need to speak it in ourselves, and then it will say so much similarities, right? So much correct you have pronounced. Yeah, that is the first thing. So I mentioned here, yeah, speech, voice, Sanskrit, this one. So that's a speaking one, and
Okay, yes.
so this is okay. Speak voice is word, right? It's we have to just say word, words. Okay. The second one is the sentence recognition. Here comes the issue actually. Here, the sentence recognition. Uh, we need to that parts of speech and everything of the Sanskrit the system has to learn, no? So
Like, is there any chatbot already that was trained with
yeah,
Sanskrit, you say?
I couldn't find anything. Maybe you can search it out. There is nothing freely available on the website. I couldn't find anything freely available. But there is some websites where you click something and it will sound it, but that's not user friendly actually. We need a bot actually, proper bot where we can interact actually. That's my idea. So
I thought one translate English to Sanskrit very good.
okay, but our thing will not work, no? Like you can translate it, but will you be able to learn it? Because in the learning phase, we need. You want to share the screen or something? Hmm.
You you were giving some like using some reinforcement whether it was telling correct or
Ah,
not.
yeah. So
Okay.
this is you need to in the 10 days Shibiram they are teaching the grammar and all everything. Small things, not the big one. Very basic. Uh, like what is it? There is a distant Devatah Atra. Devata is everywhere, no? Like that, small sentences we are making and talking in that ways. So when we it will ask us to speak it out and it will ask like Devata Kutra Asti. So where is the Devata? But it will not say in English. It will be saying Devata Kutra, and we have to say Devata Sarvatra Asti. Like that we need to say. So it actually recognizes that. And if he says something different, he should understand that it's a slightly different, but it's similar one if it is there. So those in English, we when we speak, if for example, if we have 2 3 sentence short answers, we speak the answer, or if we write the answer in a different rephrasing. No, still the system can check it or assemble. Right, similarity test is there, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, something like that. We need to make it for the Sanskrit. So these two things are the important ones. We can do something for this one. Weights we can create. I mean, weights it can do the similarity, but sentence recognition is the difficult because here we don't need much. Here what we need is a that speech processing only, no. So it will sound one word and we have to say the word and it will match whether it is said properly. So it may be a bit easier.
Just a multi learning.
Multi-learning means
It will do recognizing the speech. Image it does not take in take in the speech and text only.
huh, huh. Yeah, image actually here
And
it will
written recognition also you are taking is a vast huge topic that capturing the handwriting recognition also now.
that's a different these two we will go ahead. These two we will keep it as very important ones, right? Or what is it? Yeah, this we will keep as important and how will you highlight this one? Okay, handwritten is later stage. We will not go into now, or maybe someone else can do it parallelly. But how can we do these two is the question now. Speech to words. So you are mentioning some bot is there, right?
Yes.
You want to share a screen
Well,
also?
I shared that link through chat. No chat. No. Is there? I shared through the Teams chat.
Okay. Let me share. There is 3 links you shared. Yes, join. Nalin may be joining now. That is bot. So here is English, and you can have the Sanskrit this side. Okay.
Yes.
But, yeah. But this is not something that we are planning for. So it is a learning system, no? We cannot paste something and get something, right?
Yeah, yes.
This is good for
Status.
WhatsApp chat. If somebody want to send Sanskrit test, we can put the English and we will get Sanskrit and we can give it to the other person, right? So the second one is GitHub. Hi Nalin bhai.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, you know Panimalar, no? Yeah.
Toppers, huh?
Really?
No,
No, don't say.
uh,
Uh,
okay.
Basically, where are you from, Nalin?
I am from Odisha.
Ah, Orissa. Okay, nice.
Mm.
Rarely we have someone from Orissa.
Yeah, we have few guys, I guess. Yeah.
Mm. I mean, mostly we can see it from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and
Yeah.
Andhra Pradesh. Uh,
Right. Yeah.
yeah, Orissa maybe only few guys like I met, I think.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, there are few cases,
Mhm.
few guys.
So actually, it's just actually I don't know how to go forward with this, but the plan is like no. Sanskrit usually we learn by speaking it. In the early olden days, we had only speech, right? And
Yes.
as for
Right.
any language, I think we are speaking first. Even English, I for apple and always say, and later only we go to the written. So handwritten is the
Script.
last
Yeah.
one. Yeah, last one.
Yeah.
So these two things are so the here what I am planning is this 10 days Shibiram conducted by the Sanskrit Samsthan or something.
Yes. You shared some links, right? That's the one you're talking.
Yeah, YouTube, yeah. So they are physically conducting also. So what they do is 2 hours for 10 days, 20 hours, and they will be teaching us about the common thing, like our fan, bed, boxes,
Yeah.
purses,
Right.
mobile,
Yes.
what you say in this
Yeah.
in Sanskrit, and then balakaha, balikaha, how to use this
Yeah.
basic
Three forms.
yeah, very basic things you can. So that is what I am planning in these two. So the first one is a word by word. Balakaha, balaka. We have to say balaka like that,
Yeah.
and the pronunciation has to be checked by the system. It will show the image of the thing, and it will be written English and Sanskrit uh, that letters, and then it will also speak out, and we have to speak the same way, and it will record it whether it is how much it is matching or not.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the first one, and then there will be second one will be test. It will show the image only, and we have to say that one, and it will recognize whether it is correctly or not. And then that I can write it maybe here. Yeah, it shows image, Sanskrit and English spelling, and speaks out. It shows but not speaks out. Should verify our voice is correct, right? Or
Yeah.
voice is spelled correctly. So again on this one also. Then comes the second sentence recognition. Here it will ask the question or something, and we should be able to both asks question, we answer, it should show how much correct.
Okay.
This is what I am thinking about, and if not, if error, it should give feedback, no? Feedback. Help learning.
So, Manoj, I have a stand-up in 3 minutes.
Ah.
So I will drop off for 15 minutes, then I'll rejoin. If you
Okay,
guys
fine,
can
fine.
continue. Okay,
No
okay.
problem. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So,
okay.
you're going now or after 3 minutes or what?
Yeah, I'm leaving now,
Huh.
and then I'll join you in 15 minutes. It's
Okay.
10:45 your time, maybe. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, fine, fine.
Sure, sure.
Thank you. So, yeah. So, Panimalar, I think this is what we are discussing, no? So now it's this is the problems. I am trying to make the problem state. You are on. Yeah. Yeah, Ji.
I got one code from Geek for Geeks, real-time voice translation using Python.
Uh, Real-time voice translation using Python. Voice
I pasted
translation.
it on chat.
Okay. In this article, we are going to create a real-time voice translator in Python. Speech recognition. In the level, it will help the Python to recognize the command given. We use Pip for speech recognition. Google Translate is free. Okay, we can use free, no problem. The GTT API supports several languages, English, French, and real time. First, can translate voice input and give translated output generated from it. It is created using. See, one thing I know this Google thing is giving in English actually the output. Even if you speak in Sanskrit, it will give Sanskrit or Hindi or whatever language. The output is in English. That's my understanding. I'm not sure. Okay. Last time I was checking something
If
and I
we
found.
are talking in English, that like talking in Sanskrit, that was converted into English, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's not converted to English, but the spellings, no. We are expecting Hindi letters, no, Devanagari, right?
Hmm.
It will not be that. It will be English only. English letters will be there. For example, Balakaha, BALAKH, like that.
Okay.
It is not Hindi. What you say?
Not the translated perfectly. It was like absorbing our voice and converting it into a English text.
English text, exactly. Yeah. It will not be in Devanagari Lipi. It will be in
Okay.
English. That's what I found last day. I did this one. Something like this I did. It not I did not do. It was there was an YouTuber who was doing this one. So he did this Python thing using the Google Translator, and he was saying in Hindi, and the output came in the English spellings.
Okay.
I think the same thing is happening here. Let's see. Here we can choose the language. Okay. Did you check here? It is possible Sanskrit. Sanskrit is not there. I think this is the same code that I was talking about.
Okay.
But for the initial thing, we can try this one also. It's not a problem, but I don't know how it can go ahead. See, you know one thing. This Sumil Khosla was saying something. That's what I was going through. It is considered. Okay. To begin with, you will need to find a good speech recognition engine that can recognize Sanskrit pronunciation. Although, don't think there will be many good such engines available for free. Then, can we make one? Yes. So, text to speech and vice versa engine for Sanskrit is considered okay. Speech recognition comes under NLP. Pure and poly returning machine. So we have one thing here. Academia. First, collect enough audio samples and this is one paper, I think, academia.edu, right? Sanskrit implies development of user-friendly education framework using natural language. There's 12 keys. Okay. Natural language. It is common and reasonable misconception that are too ambiguous for transmission of many ideas than the artificial languages. Question or there is one language to simply natural has no ambiguity and there is one more Panini who formulated the 3900 rules. Now even a millennium later Sanskrit are the strongest and simplest grammar of all natural language and surprisingly the most suited language. It is A and NLP. It is gradually commandable. Can make computers instant. I like it. Okay, semantic. I think this paper is good, no?
Yeah, it's good. Basic schematics are the
Why don't give the book to Deepans Chu? Give book wants to give. Let's explore also. Skip right. If you read this, I'm going to confusion.
One of my friend told Ji, so like whatever we are going to do, we have to draw one flow chart before we are doing. So for speech, like how we are given, like going to give the input, and what are the models are available to convert, and which model we are preferring, and what is the output we are exactly want.
Yeah, actually.
And how.
Yeah. Good one, yeah. And yeah, can you continue?
Ajay?
You are continuing, no? You can say, yeah.
Yeah, that only I asked like past month like he's from NLP domain only. I asked one help. Like my organization is fully of documentation. How can I do? And I am thinking of going for NLP project like that. I told. He told if you want to learn, you have to draw the flow chart first. What is your work? What are you currently doing now? You have to start to ending. You have to make the flow chart. Then I can help you. Like that he told Jesse.
Oh, okay. But in your domain, you know what is happening, no? Then you can create the flow, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes, Jay.
Yeah, so the problem here is I don't know how to start actually. That's what. Where to start, what to, yeah. That's why we tried to do the brainstorming, but nobody joined. So only you were there. Thanks for coming, but
No, no,
no,
Jay,
no, see,
I
I
need to
need to
join
join
just
just
something.
something. Yeah, we can join
I
actually. Even Veena and Revati told they will join. Maybe 10:45. Nalin will come back. I'm not sure. We will try. Uh, these are all how. So first of all, how will you convert to? Uh, so we have some tools which will give the. As you said, it will be in English letters. But is that enough for this? Nalin is having some mentors. Okay. We're talking this one. Okay, in speech recognition, Sanskrit pronunciation, don't think. Okay, okay. So first collect enough audio samples and their transcriptions to train the model. You understand this one?
First collect enough audio samples and their transcription to train the model. Oh, okay. Now we are currently speaking Achi, like in our teams also that content transcription, that subtitles. So he was asking enough audio samples and their transcription to train the model. Whichever script you want, speech to text in English, Dev, Devanagari,
Devanagari is the Hindi. Hindi, no? In Sanskrit, we are writing in Hindi, no? That's the Devanagari.
Yeah, okay, this is also good. What Sumanji was telling, so we have to train the model. First, we have to teach the model how the voice are, and transcript also we are given the input along with the voice. So if we are doing, I'm previously working on animation, G. So in that we are using one what it is, one software. So in that software, like we are using the headphone and hearing the voice, each and every voice we are breaking and like writing that words slowly.
Mm-hmm.
You understand, Raji? Like if the voice is there, now we are continuously speaking each and every words that recorded as a signals there. So and we are breaking the signals and breaking. Break is the word. So we are break that signal and it like write as a break. And we are given to this text to the animation. So based on the mouth, that mouth speaking, like that we are fixing this break into that mouth signs.
Oh, okay.
So like that he was asking that signals and that voice signal and the script also need to given to the input as per my understanding.
Yeah, but input, how it will train the model? That's the question, no?
Um,
How can the model get trained with the transcription and the audio
so
sample?
we can copy this audio samples and their transcription to train the model. So shall we copy this and paste it into Google G? We can get something
Ah, yeah.
from audio to model. Collect. Yeah.
Can use ChatGPT maybe, no?
Yes.
Collecting audio samples and their transcription to train a language model involves gathering a diverse representative data set. Here's a general guide on how you might approach this task. Define the scope. Determine the domain and purpose of your language model, example general conversation, medical term, computer. Identify the language dialects you want your model to understand. Look for an open dataset. There are various supported online that offer free and audio datasets with transcriptions. Consider using domain-specific datasets if applicable. Collect domain custom data. Pre-processed audio data. This is the thing. Convert audio files to consistent format. Normalize audio levels and remove background noise. Transcription. Transcribe audio files into text. You can use automatic speech recognition systems or manually transcribe them. Ensure accurate transcription as they play crucial in the training. Data cleaning. Clean the validate transcription, fix errors and maintain them. Remove any personally identifiable info. Split data. Divide your dataset into training, validation and test. Success model. Performance on nuance in data. Annotation. Annotate your dataset with metadata such as speaker information, emotions or any other relevant information. Format your model training. Organize your data in a format compatible with the model you are using. Okay. Compliance and ethical consideration. Model training. Train your model using prepared dataset and adjust hyperparameters. Iterate and improve. And ask please provide Python codes. Basic outline. Source audio data. Collect custom data. Pre-process audio data. Audio file. So finally, it is saying it is in this folder audio, okay, and then transcribe. It's transcribing and getting the text. So audio file, okay, data cleaning, splitting, annotation, format. It's only giving
What
the
it is?
it's not giving the proper code. Okay, provide code for model. Okay, I will, yeah, let's say create a complete end-to-end training. Speech recognition involves transcribe, okay, process audio directory. So audio file, join, transcribe, okay, transcription is happening. Audio file, transcript, okay, transcription. Sorry?
But this is very good. Like if we are doing audio transcription, that is very useful for that animation papers also.
Okay. Now we will be requiring the transcription anyway, but how are you? What I'm trying to understand is how can we train a model? How is the model taking the audio input? You have any idea of that? Okay, I will type here. How does model take audio and text? Transcripts for training. Quotes, please. deep speech. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So they're getting the download the pre-trained down speech model. Okay. This is interesting. See, and scorer from the deep speech. So we have two things. Then pathway.
Pre-trained speech model.
Yeah. So here is the this is the model, right? These two are models, and then this is the audio directory. Then audio files to it is converted to a format required, and yeah, this is the waveform we are converting. See, training parameters, approach, learning rate, everything is mentioned. We are learning rate, batch size, build English, build. Okay, this is interesting, no? What the score for better accuracy? That audio features and transcription file path. Audio is the audio segment from wave. Audio array. Features deep speech dot. So here MFCC is something what Sumalbai was mentioning. You see this. See, we extract MFCC and spectrograms from audio to use as features for training or fine tuning the model.
And spectrograms from audio to use features for training or fine-tuning the model so it requires to MFCCI stated somewhere saying
This is the thing.
MFCCI is not the word.
Yeah, here it is given. The MEL frequency substral coefficient. These are widely used as features for training machine learning models, particularly for speech recognition, audio classification, and music analysis.
To not having prior knowledge and shall we watch any YouTube and follow the same how to train the model?
Yeah. So yeah, you can take up some interest on this. Then just try from your side also. I am also trying from, but this code is good, no? I got interested in this one.
Yes.
After so many chat with this ChatGPT, it's giving this code. It's interesting. I will just paste it in copy code.
Yeah, actually.
Copy code. I think we can have some more homework and come back, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the requirement, like audio. So we will go with Devanagari script instead of English. When we speak, it should come in a Devanagari script, no? Otherwise, it will come in English. But if it comes in English, then it's okay, I think, right? English is also okay. Devanagari is better. Yeah, because Devanagari is good because it will be helpful if you are going with the handwritten letter. Yeah, that time it will be useful, Devanagari. Because if you are going with English, then that handwritten thing will be complicated then. But you know to
Yes.
read Hindi and all, no?
Hindi and Devanagari both are same only, or letters will be different.
Yeah, the letters is same. So
Meaning is different actually. Between
no,
Devanagari and
no, it's the same only. I mean, it's basically what we are doing is we are writing in Sanskrit. We are writing in Hindi, no? That is called Devanagari scriptage. So first we have to finalize which language we want to go with. I mean, Sanskrit to be written in English or to be written in Devanagari. I think better take Devanagari. That will be the standard, no? If you do English, then it is easy. But otherwise, we have to try with both and try check how it works. I put this code in the Teams.
yeah.
Okay, then we'll meet then again.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, Panimalar coming for.
Sorry, Ji, I doesn't able to do that much help.
No, no, no. See, it's a good one. You were there. That's why we found this code. Okay, if I am on alone, I won't be doing this. Yeah, so that's completely okay. We are trying to learn only.
Ji.
If I know, then I won't be calling you. No, calling anyone actually. I will be doing myself. Yeah, but we are learning from scratch, so that will be a good one. If you are learning from scratch, it will be helpful somewhere. No, it is a very most basic thing. Uh, in case we are trying, but I don't know. It is useful for you. You are not into the audio thing, no? You are. I mean, speech recognition. One second.
Yeah,
Someone.
Ji, I'm fully text only, text
Uh,
chat, and like from
yeah.
that only reinforcement I can do, Ji.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Nalin, for coming back.
Okay.
Uh,
Start. ChatGPT 3.5.
yeah, see, we got one code for. See, actually, Panimalar has already shared something, but what I understood is when we talk, it will be converted to English spellings. I mean, if I say Balakaha, it will be Balakh like that.
Okay.
But what I need is the Devanagari. So if you can come, yeah, in Hindi, no, that one.
Hindi, yeah.
Yeah, so the written like Devanagari only. No? So we need like that one. That talk.
So maybe we transfer speech to Hindi. I mean,
Devanagari.
text it in Hindi.
Hmm.
That it will work.
Yeah, and you know how we are training this training data, test data, and I'm a bit confused. So Chat GPT, I was just trying with this one for some time. We were trying with this.
I never, done this much. You are very advanced now.
Oh, okay.
So
Nothing.
this is ChatGPT, and you are using the API also. I mean,
No. It's just a free one only, not API. No. So this is I just put so many queries. We were putting queries and it was showing something, but that was not the required one. And finally, I just asked how does model take audio and transcript for training code space. Now it is saying training a speech recognition involves several steps and specific implementation. Okay.
Oh,
Here using deep. So my question is take the audio clip. The audio will be some format, audio format, and then transcript. So these two are given. So here I think what they are doing is see this is the download the pre-trained deep speech model and scorer. I am not sure what is scorer. Maybe it's like accuracy or something. No. That's what I am understanding from this one scorer. It will show the scores is correct or not. I'm not sure actually. So here we are having a pre-trained model, and then the audio directory. Then the audio is converted to the format, a waveform. That's okay. And uh, then they have training parameters, approach, learning rate, and batch size. We can do the hyperparameter tuning here, and model is learning rate, batch size, everything is there. Alphabet building. Specify the alphabet used in the language. English alphabet for this. So they have put English alphabet. Then enable external scorer. Okay. Get audio features and transcription file. So audio features and transcription file. Transcription file path. Okay. Transcription model, STT features. So you know this MFCC? Have you worked with audio?
No.
Okay. So this I was showing to.
Yeah.
I was showing to Panimalar ji also same. So we had a discussion with the Sumil Bhai. You know Sumil Bhai, no?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
The previous batch, yeah.
which one?
Our previous batch, right?
Our batch only, no?
Our batch. Okay.
So, but he's a very top data scientist.
Okay.
He's having his own company. I mean, US-based company or something.
Sumil.
So, yeah, Sumil Khosla, no?
Okay. Khosla, yes. Okay. Topper, yeah.
Topper. So here, so I requested that day on the group, and he gave so much of information. So first, he's saying, first collect enough audio samples and the transcription to train the model. Whichever script you want, speech. Okay, Devanagari or English. So we'll be using Devanagari. I think it's better to use. No, later we will be going into the written thing, and then Devanagari that will be better. Yeah. So then, so he's saying we extract MFCC, the same thing what ChatGPT is saying. Extract MFCC and spectrogram from audio to use as features for training or fine-tuning the model. So we'll require knowledge of signal processing as well. And then he's saying, then I got this one from the ChatGPT only. Extracting mel frequency capstral coefficient MFCCs and spectrograms from audio signals are common techniques in audio signal processing, and are widely used as features for training machine learning models, particularly for tasks like speech recognition, audio classification, and music analysis. Then Sumil Bhai is saying we may need to fine-tune the transform model to accurately identify Sanskrit pronunciation. For that, we need training data. For tuning data, we need to generate audio features. Yes, transcription may involve a lot of manual work. Also, you need to ensure that we have adequate audio data covering different kinds of pronunciation for different Sanskrit words and phrases. And you will need very accurate transcription. Since transcription will be manual, you will need good knowledge of Sanskrit. This I can manage, okay. Sanskrit transcription and all these things, I mean, I'm not sure, but I think we can manage somehow. Because everything should be readily available. Transcription, anyway, transcription will be done by the system, and I just need to check the spellings, right?
Right.
That we can manage maybe. But how this is going on, I'm not sure actually. So someone has sent. Okay.
This is a code. Some code.
This is someone else has sent. Bhagirath has sent some link to the. Yeah. If you get data, I can help with modeling. This is Sumil Bhai saying if you get data, I can help with modeling. Then, but for
or else we can also do one thing. Sumil's guidance is right. So is there any code or something available where Hindi to Devanagari? I mean, someone speaking on Hindi speech to Devanagari as a something is available. We take that one and then just follow the exactly same way. That will basically have some basic code like all this MFCC and all of these things.
Yeah.
And then we start, input as replace the input as Sanskrit instead of Hindi. So then again try to, because Sanskrit will be completely new, and if we get something which is feasible and existing, there must be something like Hindi speech to Hindi Devanagari translation must be there, some code. So that basically give us some framework basically to understand how it works, the
Yeah.
steps. We just need to replace with Hindi with Sanskrit.
Hmm. This is the code. So
What do you think, Panimalar? So, does it?
I'm just trying to make this change to Devanagari.
Giddy. Yeah.
Right. So
Change
here,
to Devanagari.
where is the English is mentioned somewhere? No? Alphabet used in language, specific alphabet.
English alphabet. Yeah.
Alphabet. To adapt to speech recognition of Devanagari, you will need a few modification. The script is used for some. Okay. One more thing we can say: change the alphabet Devanagari. Optimize for Sanskrit. Or we can change to Sanskrit alphabet. No.
Yeah.
Let's see how Sanskrit alphabet. For hand Sanskrit, you will need customized alphabet used in speech recognition and adaptable Sanskrit alphabet. Customize. What is customize? Define a
Yeah.
simplified Sanskrit.
Okay. Cool.
Sanskrit alphabets.
Sanskrit alphabet.
So this is starting from okay. Then we replace alphabet with simplified Sanskrit alphabet. Make sure that deep speech level supports Sanskrit script or explore other level that provides support for Sanskrit. Also ensure that your training is a trained speech model for Sanskrit. So I think we can ask, does deep speech, right?
Yeah.
Speech library support Sanskrit. Out of the box. But this doesn't know. It's like almost 2 years now. Bart knows better. Many things ChatGPT doesn't know actually.
Okay, Bard is better than ChatGPT. That's what you're saying now, because they
Yeah,
have
because it's Bard has more latest, more latest thing.
Okay.
No, deep speech does not. English speech is primarily for English speech data, and while English and Sanskrit is not one of them. Laptop compared to the from the map. Yeah, so deep speech doesn't do, but maybe we can use here some alternative if you need.
IIT Mumbai is working. IIT Mumbai is working on project of Sanskrit speech recognition system.
Okay, let them work here. Yeah. It's already there. I think 2-3 papers I found actually.
It's a good, no? It's a good sign. We are not in no man's land. So,
Yeah.
I mean, we are in good competition.
Yeah. We are competing the IITs, you know. And we'll publish a paper. Yeah, we made this. Okay, we will ask Sumil Bhai to help us, and we'll publish a paper. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
So, general purpose speech recognition model, while it's not proper. Yeah. One more thing we can do is I'm saying, how does model take audio script for training good spaces? Let's try this. Training is not given the code. It's a okay for Sanskrit. Again, he is also, this guy is also saying MFCC.
NLP, yeah. MSFC is the way to go, I think. That is the basic things applicable for all.
Yeah. I think we have to work on our way from MFCC.
Yeah.
Then both nursery libraries keep speech. So you're saying very challenging task. It should not be challenging. I think things should be available. We are just missing something only. It's not a. Why it's so difficult?
Nalin, checking like what project you were selected.
Oh, I have selected to generate questions from the text, natural language text. Um,
Uh,
it will generate multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, or short description
wow,
questions.
very interesting.
So
I
my current project is on education domain, so I thought to use that one and show that is my experience for new job.
see.
But it's very
Initially,
difficult.
I thought
Mm,
correct. Initially, I thought of go for interview, interview questions, interaction between the A board and
oh,
the
okay. Yeah,
student. Especially it is for students like who are
right.
the final year students.
Oh,
The
okay. Good.
interaction, voice communication between that A board and student.
Yes. Yeah, that for that also you need to generate questions, and yeah.
Correct. Yeah, Ajay. So now
So
I'm twisted my mind.
so
Now I
you are going to work on that for your dissertation?
initially I thought like that, Ajay. Now I'm going to my organization work only.
Okay. What is that?
The product risk management I am currently working on.
Okay.
So like I'm working in medical domain. So finally, yeah, collecting the details from the FDA. So the FDA that contains the numerous events. So how the patients are affected, and like is it a failure mode of the device, or um, it's like it's a hospital issue or failure mode.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Finally,
it is
it is like
you are in very good domain also.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, Jay. So
I,
finally, there is a
I will share my findings also, that you can utilize in case you design you work on your interview, this thing what
uh,
it's a good
yeah,
idea.
yes. Yeah. Initially, I thought of going with I installed the Unity also, Jay. I thought of that augmented reality,
Okay,
like that.
augmented reality. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some 3D kind of AI bot I have to create and interact with students like that only I thought initially. After
Okay,
that, this 2.5 month only we have to develop all the skills and
yeah,
create
it's very
all
fast.
the papers also. That's why I
What
stopped my
what I am
planning.
planning is I just do some research, utilize December time, holiday times, and see how much I can progress. Otherwise, I'll just I just deliver a simple version one, and then keep working on the same concept maybe for future.
Yeah.
uh, I don't know. Because
Actually,
it very waste time. Yeah.
actually, what you were taken, that was a very, very, very good project. It was very tough for all students who are all
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
going to exam in future.
I'm reading, but not able to understand so many things. Getting confused.
It's really tough
Very, yeah.
subject. If I got any resources, I will share with you, Jay.
Sure, sure, sure. I have got some books. I have some papers and going through them. But that is also not enough. Veena is joining.
Hi, Veena.
Hi, Veena. All toppers. Manoj is having all toppers in the group.
Yeah.
Hi all.
Hi. So Veena guide us how to
Yeah.
move forward.
We're
Okay,
waiting
I
for
think
you.
the wrong person I believe to Sanskrit.
Sanskrit we
Manoj.
can manage.
Okay.
So it's been 34 years since I read Sanskrit, but I had I think 87 or 89 in Sanskrit in my high school.
Okay.
So, but I mean, I'm good. I can understand and correlate, but not fluent.
Nalin bhai, actually, may I ask what is your age now?
My age is I'm 49 now.
Oh, I am 40, almost 49 myself also.
Oh, we are the same group.
Nice to see someone.
I know this one.
I thought I am the most
Yeah.
senior guy here. Okay. Anyway, that's very nice. Okay. So
Manoj,
this
why
is.
I joined this Sanskrit? Na, I like usually we are doing puja with the Sanskrit slogans only to God.
Yes, yes, yes.
I mug upping all slogans I know like I'm mug upping only. So I need to know what is the exact meaning of that.
For that, you don't need to use this board. We can just simply search on the internet. We'll find it. No.
That is tough, na, ji. Like
You
when
didn't
I
you
attended
didn't
this
study
slogan.
Sanskrit? You didn't study Sanskrit in your schools? In your schools you didn't study Sanskrit?
No, ji.
Okay. It's a very nice. I mean, um, you yourself can translate all the slokas if you know, and like our regional languages have grammars in our regional language are little difficult than English. Like English is quite simpler than any regional language. Sanskrit is little more difficult to regional languages.
Manoj,
Grammar, yeah.
so means what is the intention for this project? You mentioned it is already available in the net. So what exactly are we trying to do from this?
What I told is that see, meaning of the slokas is available everywhere. No,
Mm.
that's not our point. Actually, our point is this
At
one.
least
If
people
you
can
see,
reference this one, can use this one to, we are losing our tradition, our culture. So this may be proved to people to go back to the culture tradition. I mean, people start speaking Sanskrit, maybe sometimes new language get
Yeah,
acquainted
actually,
with. There are
yeah,
many
actually,
people they want to like Panimalar said no. They want to translate. They actually wants to understand the what where the sloka means. I mean, so those kind of things. There are many people they have interest, and not only in India, in the outside also. Um, across the globe, there are so many researches also going on. But
Mm.
mm,
So does that
so
mean till now whatever is documented is not correct, and we are trying to do something more?
no, no, no. Actually, the point is there is a Sanskrit Sambhashana Shibiram going on, no? Sanskrit Sam, Sambhashana Shibiram all around the world, okay, in the world.
Mhm.
But it takes 2 hours into 10 days. Uh, what you say? Uh, consistent effort. So we are trying to make it self-paced.
Okay.
Self-paced. The reason is I went for this twice with my kid, and I was not able to learn much. It was very
Okay.
complicated. Yeah.
yeah,
And similarly, now again I am starting with my friend, and we are doing some peer meet again for Sanskrit sometimes, and only with that we can properly know what we are doing. It's like 4 hours per week, like weekends 4 hours. But then again, that is also very tough for me. So that's one of the reasons that. So here, what I am trying to do is like A for apple. We say, no, we are doing the word.
Mhm.
Here voice, no Sanskrit. See here, first two things we are doing with speaking only, and only then the fourth case is the handwritten. So it shows an image, Sanskrit and English spellings, and speaks out. We should verify our voice is spelled correctly. We should be able to speak, and it should verify our voice.
Okay.
We should verify our voice spelled correctly. Okay, it should verify our voice. We speak, and it should verify the voices from God. Then second is it will not speak out. It will show the things, and we should speak out, and it should verify it. And third is the sentence recognition. Devata kutra asti, it will ask, and we have to say Devata sarvatra asti, and there will be some changes, and it should recognize it, and it should give the feedback to help in the learning. So in the 10 days Shibiram, we are doing only this much, like whatever is the household things and common things, no? We are understanding what is the Sanskrit words for that, and how to make sentences, small sentences, without going into deep grammar. But yes, some grammar is there. Female, male, neutral, past, present, and those things. Maybe small sentences we are constructing, and this level we are only looking for those 10 days Shibiram actually.
Okay.
And the 10 days Shibiram thing is already available on internet. I have shared the YouTube also, and we will get books also. I can get it out, so that's not a problem. So this is the target actually. That's a good thing that you asked the target. Okay, why this project? Right? So I think this is clear, no, everyone. This is what I am planning. So what is your everything else we can add to it? More advanced things we can add, like Panimalar said, slokas, etc. Learning. So this is very advanced actually. So, but first we have to get started with these two, and if we get up to here, this is a big success. That's what my plan. I mean, that's what I think. Many people are not able to attend the 10 days Shibiram because it takes 2 hours and 10 days, and even if they attend, no, they will not be using at home, and they will forget, and the peer meets are not happening. So using a board, then they can refresh from time to time.
Okay. So is it similar to?
Hi Ji. Hi Ji. I think they left or they will come back. Hopefully they will come back. Meeting options. Hello.
Hi, Manoj.
Yeah, hi. So this is the plan. You sent something on the WhatsApp?
No, can let me see. One second. Okay, it's a voice correction, right? In pronunciation correction, you are intending.
Yeah, pronunciation, yes. So something related to that or?
No, that was something similar, but it is not on the voice recognition. It's mainly for the annotation.
Huh. Okay. So this is the requirement. I think it is clear now what we are trying to do. So
Yeah.
it's a voice based actually. So there is a, even Panimalar was saying there is something like if you speak it will change. For example, if you speak in Hindi it will convert to English, like Balakaha will become BALAKH like that, no? But I think it's better if you can have the Devanagari or Hindi, that Sanskrit itself, no? Later when we go to handwriting recognition, it will be helpful in that way maybe. So that is one record. So when we chatted with the
Manoj,
chat,
have you checked Dual? There is a app called Duolingo, right?
yeah,
So have you checked whether this requirement will get satisfied? Yeah, one thing I know, we will not be able to give any input to it, but it is similar to they will give some input and we can speak and get it corrected.
yeah. But how much we can customize for this Sambhashna Shibiram and all, no?
That part we need to see because for our inputs, right, it may not work.
Yeah, and this one will be has to be somehow made free only, because people will not be coming for the paid ones, no? Yeah, so this is like a companion extra something which we have to find a way how to implement. But that's a second part. But anyway, we need much customization, and I'm not sure whether Duolingo is paid one actually.
Yeah, it's a paid. It's a paid one, or we will get minimal with the existing one.
Mm-hmm. There are some websites also for the Sanskrit learning, but it's not that customizable and not too much user friendly. I found it's
Okay.
not that good. We need a proper bot.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm not sure about Duolingo how much it is valuable. If
Even I haven't checked for this one.
Sanskrit, huh?
Sanskrit, yeah.
Yeah, then should we try the Duolingo Sanskrit? You can
Yeah,
ask
let me
Bard.
check and I can update you.
Mm-hmm. You said Duolingo for Sanskrit. Or it doesn't, you can't learn anything.
Yeah,
Okay.
it doesn't have Sanskrit, I believe.
It
Okay,
doesn't have, yeah.
then it's a new skill.
Yeah. Mango languages. Focus speaker conversation. Right, Talkic and online business Sanskrit customers. So, yeah. So we need uh, something which is so actually yeah. Again, I was having a talk with our Sumal Bai,
Mm-hmm.
and he gave some inputs. Okay, first collect enough audio samples and the transcriptions to train the model.
Mm-hmm.
Whichever script you want speech to text in Devanagari, English, etc. So I think we will be going with the Devanagari, right? We extract MFCC and spectrogram. You know this MFCC and spectrogram thing?
Spectrogram we have learned. MFCC, I think that also we have learned.
Yeah, extracting MEL frequency substral coefficients. Okay, we extract MFCC and spectrogram from audio to use as features for training or fine tuning the model. So we will require knowledge of signal processing. So I checked with ChatGPT, it's showing this one. Extracting MEL frequency substrate coefficient MFCCs and spectrograms from audio signals are common techniques in audio signal processing and are widely used as features for training machine learning models, particularly for tasks like speech recognition and audio classification and music analysis. Machine learning models, okay. So this is same thing that ChatGPT was also saying now. We may need to fine-tune the transfer model to accurately identify Sanskrit pronunciation. For that, we need training data. For training data, we need to generate audio features. Transcription may involve a lot of manual work. We need to ensure that we adequate audio data covering different kinds of pronunciation for different Sanskrit words and phrases, and you will need very accurate transcription. Since transcription will be manual, you will need good knowledge of Sanskrit. If you will get data, I can help you with the modeling, but for pre-processing of data, feature spectrum, etc., you will need good knowledge of signal processing. This is what he mentioned.
Okay.
So this is, I think, the starting point, right? What do you think? So
I just pinged you one link. You can check it later. But it's a similar requirement.
okay. So this is what ChatGPT gave me the code how to implement
Okay.
this one. So here we are having a download the pre-trained deep speech model and a scorer from deep speech model so and so and scorer. You know what a scorer is? Okay. Audio directory and then audio file listing. Yeah, poach. Yeah, here you are fine tuning this one.
Yeah, Fox and all means it is. In NL also we have that type of training, right?
Yeah. So this leading rate and batch size everything is here. Then model initialization. Then yeah, here is mentioned build English. English it will be converted to English actually, and not conversion. It is just putting the English letters. Which alphabet you want? It's mentioned. Now again, if you go, I put it here as changed to Devanagari. So here we will see Devanagari maybe. Deep speech build Devanagari. Okay. Model set alphabet Devanagari alphabet. Model enable external scorer. and get audio features, transcription files, approach in range, model, save checkpoint. So this way is getting trained.
Okay.
You are able to understand this one?
Not much, but we can try it.
Try it out, okay. Then let me click your link, what you mentioned.
Yeah. We can try it out. There are a couple of options for text to speech by different means. We are doing the same thing, right? So we need to go through this and understand what is missing here.
This is advanced one. I already went through this one actually.
Okay.
But these actually are not customizable, no? That's the problem. This is their websites, and we don't know how they are doing it actually. Again, this text to speech, we are having a GUI. We need a. Oh yeah, this is maybe we can make an API out of it. If API is available, that's fine.
We need to means like what Sumil told, right? We need to capture how much repository, whatever data set which is possible, right? We need to capture that much, then only it can be successful.
Yeah, actually we don't need much. See, I told you, basically we will need 100 words or something initially.
Okay.
We are going with only the first two levels, and those levels don't need much weights.
Okay.
So only very very limited weights that you see around every day, and even like professions like adhyapakaha, nartakaha, gayakaha, like very limited. Maybe I can think maybe 100 words is more than enough to.
Okay.
And then there will be past, present, future, and then female, male, neutral, those things. And the numbers, so 1 to 100 numbers, yeah, that will be there, 1 to 100 numbers. Similar, they have the Abhyasa Pustaka, no? So very simple things are there. So for if you are going into the full content, that will be too big. We cannot do anything now. We will not think about that now. We will because this 100 things, if you 100 to 200 things we can do, that will be more than enough for the beginners project.
Okay.
And it will be very helpful for us to start learning the thing. Once we reach a good level, then next is the return. The same thing we need to write, and then next step will be the next higher levels. We will go step by step. Even they have the pravesha also, several steps. I think 4 or 5 we have steps. We have exams they have conducting. No, 4 to 5 exams are there. Yeah. So we will also go to a step by step. If we take the whole corpus, it will be a very huge tool, a never-ending task. So if these guys are having the API, we can straight away make use of it.
I will also check on this and update it.
Yeah, because we don't need a proper static web page. We need a APIs actually. APIs there, then done. Our work is done. Actually. Then we just need to have an interface for our purpose. And this text to speech.
Okay, I will go through this and update you. We can connect sometime once we go. We can connect.
Right. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Okay, nice. That will do. Which is Sanskrit Juden. Okay, great. Yeah, thanks a lot, Veena and Panimalar ji, both of you.
Thank you.
Nice, we can meet today. Maybe Pravina will be joining some other day. I think she's in India. I'm in Kerala. Okay, then computational linguistic R&D. They are doing R&D. Built iTrans, they are already Unicode converter.